don't Google your symptoms. We're living in a time where there's endless information at our fingertips, and there's countless apps and AI chatbots where you can type in your symptoms and instantly get a list of possible diagnoses and suggested tests. But here's how this usually plays out. They'll go to the ER or their doctor's office with a self-diagnosis already in mind, and usually they're really worried about something way more dangerous than what's actually going on. So what I typically see is people who are really concerned that they have cancer for something like a very benign headache. And honestly, I totally get why people use Google or ChatGPT for their health concerns. Access to healthcare is getting harder. A lot of people don't have family doctors. In the USA, a lot of people don't have insurance and can't afford to pay out of pocket for care. So if you have a supercomputer in your pocket, why wouldn't you use it, right? Speaking personally, I'm not against Googling your symptoms. In fact, I encourage it. I think it's amazing that people are becoming more engaged and taking stronger ownership of their own health. And the shift towards a more collaborative approach to healthcare instead of the old paternalistic approach is a very positive trend. But the one thing that you do need to remember is that a chatbot or a search engine typically can't give you a diagnosis that's tailored to you. It typically won't factor in your past medical history, the progression of your symptoms, the nuances of your physical exam, or the findings on your blood work or your imaging. And I think this is why a lot of doctors get really frustrated, because even after a full assessment and investigations, some patients stay really locked onto that diagnosis that they found online. And that's why a lot of doctors will say,